Mix fabric softener with salt. You will be amazed by what happens next. Ever since I discovered this homemade blend, I completely stopped spending money on pricey cleaning products. It all begins with a generous bowl because you need enough space for proper mixing. Start by pouring in 2 cupfuls of your favorite fabric softener. The brand and fragrance are entirely your choice, so pick the one you love most. After that, add a full cup of dish soap. Now sprinkle in a tablespoon of salt, which plays a surprisingly important role in this DIY recipe. Next comes the magical twist: white vinegar. Add 1 whole cup. Combine everything thoroughly, stirring until all the ingredients melt into a smooth and even texture. This step is essential because it boosts disinfecting power and helps neutralize unpleasant odors, making it one of the best home tricks you can try. Invite someone to experiment with this do-it-yourself method by tagging them. When you finish mixing, pour the solution into any bottle with a small opening in the cap. You might be curious why so many people swear by this mixture. Well, your powerful cleaner is now ready to use. This simple preparation can clean your bathroom more effectively than many commercial products. Apply it to taps, sinks, toilets, and any surface that needs a deep clean. A bit of scrubbing will show you instant results. Let me know how this tip works for you. But the benefits do not stop at the shine. This cleaner helps eliminate bacteria and germs, contributing to a healthier home. Bathrooms often gather harmful microorganisms, yet this homemade mixture deals with them effortlessly. Say goodbye to bad odors and hello to a fresh and pleasant atmosphere. Do you have a similar method you use at home? Share it in the comments. Vinegar acts as a natural disinfectant, dish soap dissolves grime, and salt removes stubborn buildup. Meanwhile, fabric softener leaves behind a long-lasting and luxurious scent that enhances your bathroom like no store product can. It costs far less than anything you can buy and works even better. Why spend extra money when you can create something this powerful at home? Give it a try and prepare to be impressed. I hope this helps you enjoy a cleaner, fresher space every single day. Until the next tip, my friends, may God bless you all. Red Heart.